It's here, and in this video I want to show you the power of AI and how it can help you make more affiliate sales. And in this particular case, what you're looking at is an affiliate commission report from one of the companies that I'm signed up with, an affiliate network called Stay22, where I've made 80 sales in the past few months, which equated to over $600 in commissions, and all of it was done with the power of their AI tool, which I'll show you in a moment. Now, more and more affiliate networks are now coming out with AI and trying to use it to help the affiliates that promote their products and services to make more sales. And in this particular case, Stay22 is an excellent asset, an affiliate network that I would recommend that you sign up with if you are involved in the travel blogging sphere, which is what I am involved with in this case. And basically what Stay22 does is it's connected to big name companies like Expedia, like Booking, trusted brand names where people buy hotels, or rather reserve hotels, buy plane tickets, reserve car rentals and stuff like that. And they help you promote these brand name companies through the Stay22 program, including their AI tool, which helps you promote these things. And let me show you a perfect example of how it is that they make this happen. So here is a recent blog post that I created on the subject of 10 amazing things to do in Monterey, California. And I was recently just browsing through it, and the way that Stay22 works is when people are visiting this page, what happens is that an exit pop-up shows up for whatever the subject matter of this blog post is. So in this particular case, this Expedia page popped up on my particular browser, and it'll pop up when other people besides me visit this particular page or other pages across my website. It'll pop up and it'll show relevant hotel offers for, guess what, Monterey. So the subject is about Monterey, California, which is a city on the coast of California. And so this pop-up is a relevant pop-up that shows last minute deals, savings for popular hotels, which really can be very interesting for people that are looking to stay there. Because when I have people that come to this page, they're probably interested in staying in Monterey, and suddenly this shows up with last minute deals on a trusted brand name like Expedia, they're more likely to buy. And if we look at the sales here, that's really how the sales have been going on, not just from this page. Actually, I haven't had sales come in from this one because this is a new page, but it's the same example that I just showed you right now has been happening to other blog posts across my website, which has been leading to these sales happening. And this is all AI, with the assistance of AI, the AI tool in Stay22. So that's how it works. And overall, it doesn't change the fact that you can still add manual affiliate links and all, but this is just another asset that can help you boost your sales. Now, for my particular responsibility, the way that I have to help this company help me make sales is to get traffic to my website, but specifically high quality traffic. So if I'm trying to make content on things to do in Monterey, California, I'll probably try to promote this page on Pinterest, because there are people that type in things like things to do in Monterey, California. Maybe it'll show up on Google, but I'm trying to get specific audiences to this page from multiple traffic sources like Pinterest, like Google, maybe Facebook, that are actually interested in Monterey, California and staying there, because if they land on this page and they're interested and this shows up, they're much more likely to buy it. So it's kind of like a two-way street. You want to get relevant traffic, because when the relevant offers pop up, the relevant traffic will be interested in purchasing those relevant offers. So that, in a nutshell, is how it works. That's how I've been making it work. It's been a very pleasant surprise, because when I actually started with Stay22, I didn't know all the details about this until I did a session with one of their representatives, a very great, awesome person, and they really helped me understand the power of this tool. And it's not the only network that uses it, but this is just an example of how affiliate marketing can be extra helpful to you through programs like this and others out there. So if you find that there's an affiliate network out there that you're involved with that has the ability to use AI to help you make more sales, I would absolutely try it out, at least for a month, if you're getting traffic to your website, and just see if you make more sales that way. So that's what I wanted to mention in this video. If you have any questions, let me know. But as usual, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.